Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix auto rotate is not working in Samsung Galaxy A05. If you're using Galaxy A05 and you're facing the issue that in your phone your auto rotate isn't working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to scroll the control center, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled your auto rotate. So in your Samsung your phone, you might have this type feature like portrait. You just have to click on it, and it will be switched to auto rotate. Now once I've enabled your auto rotate, your auto rotate will be enabled. Now you can easily use auto rotate, but the thing you have to keep in mind that your auto rotate won't work on your home screen. Like if you're your home screen, you cannot use your auto rotate or your phone screen will not be rotated. So if you want to rotate your phone, if you want to use auto rotate, you have to open any app. You can use any single app for this. Like I open my setting app. In setting, whenever I try to rotate my phone, my screen will be auto rotated. But if you use the same thing on your home screen, that you try to rotate your phone on your home screen, your screen won't rotate. So this is the feature, or this is the way in which way you want to use your auto rotate. But if you're still facing the same issue, your auto rotate feature isn't working in your apps, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So it might be a software glitch. The very first thing you have to go to settings, go to software update, make sure that you're connected to internet, and then click on check for updates to check for pending software updates. And once you updated your software, you just have to go back, scroll down in control center, click on this power icon, click on restart, and then click on restart again. It will make a refresh with your phone. It will make a complete restart, and once you have restarted, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any software glitch, any technical issue, it might be fixed in this app. So you will not get this issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.